Good morning, YouTube, and welcome back to the channel. So as you can see, I am back in the Subaru WRX. This is my brother's car. He's currently back in the hospital for a few days for some more chemo treatment. Little story I never told you guys. Last time I was driving this car, I kind of wrecked it. So I scraped, I feel like such a dick for doing this. I scraped the front end of this thing up against a rock. So I kind of messed up the bumper and his front passenger side wheel. So I'm gonna try to get that wheel fixed today. And then as far as the bumper goes, it's right on the bottom. So to fix that, we decided we're just gonna add a front lip onto the car. It's a very nice, very nice looking front lip. I think it's like a STI V limited front lip. I'll have a link down in the description box below if any of my 2015 to 17 WRX STI homies need a front lip. Go pick this one up. Pretty good deal, and we'll see how good it fits. But yeah, it just pissed me off. We were all at my brother Austin's house. I was in Cameron's car because I was shipping a bunch of stuff for him, and I just took that shit over there. So no, I was not beating around on his car. I was just driving it. And my girlfriend Bobby parked her Genesis right behind me. So WRX here, Genesis here, and WRX being up here, there's a rock here. So I backed up, went sideways to get around Bobby's car, and the front end swung around and hit the rock on the front bumper and the front wheel. Pissed me off. Long story short, when you're driving other people's cars, be extra cautious because it just sucks. Absolutely sucks. Speaking of which, I should probably stop recording as I drive. All right, so here is the damage on the car. As you can see, it's really far down low on that bumper. So I'm hoping the lip will cover that up, like I said earlier. The wheel tagged right there, a little there, a little there. That could all be probably pretty easily fixed. And then he said he had something on the rear wheel. I haven't looked at it yet. I'm guessing he's talking about right there. Just something really small right there. So whatever I do with that front wheel, if I find some paint, I'll just touch that rear wheel up as well. But for now, the main thing I'm worried about is that bumper. Over here, we have a front lip for the car, and it kind of comes up on the side. So let's bust it open and give it a little test fit. So I don't know if you guys saw, but there's still a little bit on that corner right there that's not covered by the lip. The rest of it is. What I think I'm gonna do, run to Subaru, grab some Pearl White touch-up paint, touch it up, let it dry, wet sand it, buff it out, and see how that looks. If that doesn't look good, I'll probably have to pull this freaking bumper off and get it repainted. I guess I'm not gonna put the front lip on right now. I'll put it on later after I get that touched up. And then as far as these wheels go, I'm actually gonna go to a local shop, have them scan the color of the wheel, and then just get that paint matched perfectly. Kind of like what they did with the Brembo brakes on the FRS, if you guys have seen that video. All right, so we are finally back home now. It's been a few hours. I did get some touch-up paint for the wheels. The reason I didn't go with the spray can like I originally planned, when I got to the place, they said it would probably look better with just touch-up paint on it. And then after I got to thinking, and they also mentioned it to me as well, spray paint will eventually start chipping off, like before no time at all. Probably be a month or two and they would start chipping off. So it's just a touch-up paint, and I'm only fixing the damaged areas instead of respraying the whole wheel. It's highly unlikely that a rock chip's gonna hit that one certain area, you know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna go ahead and clean up these wheels real quick, wipe them down with isopropyl alcohol, and fix up these damaged areas. All right, here is the finished product of the wheels. Did they come out perfect? No, you can still see it right up in there, a little bit there. They're not gonna be perfect unless I fully sandblasted them and powder coated them, but they're factory WRX wheels. It'd probably be cheaper in the long run just to buy a brand new set. And then the rear actually turned out all right. There was something pretty deep right there. I filled that in, and then a little scuff up there. I'm gonna go check the other wheels real quick while I have that paint out, see if anything else needs anything. That one looks pretty good. Might as well fill that in. Other than that, we should be good to go. Now as for the white pearl paint on the car itself, I went to Subaru first. They didn't have anything in stock, and then I went to the place where I got this touch-up paint for my wheels at. And the way they wanted to do it is three different touch-up pens. One was the white, one was pearl, and one was like some lacquer or something, all for just a little touch-up pen. So I just went online, got something shipped out. It's actually just a factory Subaru touch-up pen, so whenever that comes in, I'll get the rest of the bumper fixed. But for now, we can still get on the lip. It's gonna look so much better. I already know, like, lips add so much to cars, guys. Like, if you don't have a lip, pick one up. They add so much to the front of the car. I'll show you before. Let's get this lip on and then we can check out the after. They did send us a bunch of hardware, so that is pretty cool. There's a total of maybe 12 screws and then 4 clips. We're gonna get the clips on first, and those are gonna go through, of course, the big holes. So there's a big hole in the, 2 big holes in the center, and then that very end right there, that's where the clips go, those 4 holes. And then all these 2 brackets here, the rest of these holes in the front lip, that's for all the screws. First thing I'm gonna do is set the lip up on there and then clip it in with the 4 clips. As soon as I get the 4 clips in, we can move on to screwing the lip on. All right, we got the 2 in the center up in there. These ones on the ends, there's actually already a factory clip in there for this little fender liner. So we're just gonna pop that out using a flathead screwdriver. Oh wow, already not even screwed up all the way on there. This car looks so much better. I am gonna have to pull it up on ramps real quick to get the rest of the screws in there. So like I said, there's about 10 that go underneath there. And then there's also gonna be a screw that attaches right there, right in that little hole right there. Just gonna hold it up on there nice and tight like that. Oh, now that it's up on there, this thing is looking absolutely amazing. Fitment is on point. It's so nice how they have all of the holes pre-drilled in the lip, so you know exactly where to screw, exactly where to clip it on. It's made it so easy, guys. Honestly, for the price this lip was $130, $120. I have a link down in the description box below if you want to pick one up. For the price you pay for this lip and how good it fits, I'm surprised it's not double the price, honestly. There are a few extra little clips that they included just in case you broke anything, and then 2 extra screws. We don't need any of that because we didn't break anything. Oh wow, we are good to go there. The only thing left is to fill in these little scratches down here with touch-up paint as soon as it comes in, and this thing should be looking brand new again. Once again, Cameron, if you're watching this, I'm sorry that I wrecked your car, bro. However, I really do enjoy driving this WRX, so I think within the next few days, I want to do a little car review. I've never really done a car review before, so if you guys like that idea, go down below, hit that thumbs up button. Let me know that you want that to come. I feel like I already did that, or I feel like I already said that, and I still haven't done it. I'll do it though. I'll do it, I promise. That's gonna be it for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Something a little different, so a new car on the channel is always fun. If you did enjoy it, make sure you subscribe to the channel, top left corner. Thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you guys tomorrow.